Ever feel buried in emails and scattered client notes? My team used to miss deadlines because communication was chaotic. I wasted hours switching between apps every single day. Frustration built up with invoices, projects, and messy feedback loops. Clients complained about unclear updates and slow responses constantly. We needed a simpler way to manage everything in one place. Then I found SuiteDash on AppSumo. Game changer. It's an all-in-one dashboard combining CRM, projects, billing, portals. Suddenly, our client conversations, files, and tasks lived together. Setup was surprisingly straightforward. No technical headaches at all. I moved contacts into CRM and imported projects quickly. Automated workflows cut repetitive tasks and follow-ups instantly. Billing and invoices became clear and beautifully organized. Clients loved the secure client portals for files and updates. We tracked project progress in real time without chasing people. Team messages, task comments, and files lived in one thread. No more lost feedback or version control nightmares during busy project launches. My freelance workload dropped while output quality improved. For agencies, client billing and reporting became painless and fast. SuiteDash centralizes everything: CRM, projects, billing, and portals. The visual dashboards make priorities and bottlenecks obvious. I set automations for proposals, invoices, and client reminders. Those automations saved hours each week. No exaggeration. File sharing is secure, branded, and easy for clients. You can white label portals to match your agency brand. I started sending polished proposals from the platform directly. Payments, recurring billing, and tracking became automated and reliable. That predictability improved cash flow and reduced billing disputes. Collaboration feels immediate. Comments, updates, approvals in one place. I noticed fewer miscommunications and faster turnaround times. The mobile experience keeps me updated while on the go. My team reduced meetings and used focused async updates instead. SuiteDash replaced multiple subscriptions, saving money every month. It's especially great for small business owners and freelancers. Agencies will appreciate client portals and branded workflows. There's a learning curve, but onboarding is manageable. Templates and guides helped our team adapt quickly. I recommend starting with your top client workflow first. Then map automations to recurring tasks you do daily. Within weeks, my admin hours dropped significantly across the whole team. Clients praised the clarity and fast responses, which improved retention and referrals. Reporting dashboards made profitability per project visible and easier to optimize. Support from SuiteDash and community is helpful when customizing workflows. Security features protect client data and sensitive files. You control permissions, portal access, and branded views. Integration options connect payments, calendars, and email tools. I linked payment processors and reduced manual reconciliation work. Clients enjoy one place for contracts, invoices, and messages. The AppSumo deal made trying SuiteDash risk-free and affordable. Great value for small teams or solo professionals starting out. I tested features, kept what worked, and customized workflows. Dashboard clarity turned our messy pipeline into predictable outcomes. Collaboration became less noisy and more focused on tasks. Project timelines held up better and delivery improved. If you're juggling clients, this simplifies your daily operations. It's perfect for scaling without adding admin headaches. My favorite feature: automated client onboarding sequences that save hours each month. Centralized messaging reduces missed instructions and ties conversations. Setup templates let you duplicate success for new clients easily. The platform grows with your business, no feature gaps. I recommend trying the AppSumo SuiteDash deal today. Test automations, portals, and billing with your real workflows. If it fits, migration was painless and worth it. You'll likely reclaim hours and improve client satisfaction quickly. For small teams, this often pays for itself fast. I suggest starting with a single workflow and scaling gradually. Monitor results, tweak automations, and celebrate saved time. SuiteDash gave us predictable processes and calmer clients. It's a productivity win for freelancers and growing agencies. Ready to simplify operations and improve team collaboration? Discover the best SuiteDash deal available today on AppSumo. Click the AppSumo link, explore the features, and decide. Try it risk-efficiently and watch your workflow transform. If you run a small business, this simplifies everything. I recommend grabbing the AppSumo SuiteDash deal while available.